Hey everybody, Skullring here, and today we're going to be doing a Loot Crate unboxing for the month of March 2015. This is my second Loot Crate box, but this is the first time I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And this month's theme is Covert. Alright, let's get started. And to start things off, we have a nice James Bond t-shirt. This is stirred. And it looks pretty fantastic. Hopefully, the rest of the box is good. Alright, let's see. You got Spy Mad Libs. Looks pretty awesome. Have to play that sometime. Haven't done Mad Libs in God knows when. And next is two 48-page memo books. Empty notebooks. But they look pretty awesome. Alright, next is Stealth Wristwatch from Blink Time, and boom. Look at that. Wrong time, but I have to reset the clock anyway. And next is something, oh, it's a bracelet. And it's a Loot Crate exclusive bracelet. Interesting. And next is the Loot Crate pin. And March 2015 Covert. And next we got the lanyard clip. That will go to this right here, which is an exact replica of the Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Badge, which is pretty awesome. Let me grab that for you. And there we go. Pretty sweet. And what else do we have here? Talking about the bracelets. Let's see. Digital download of Ninjak #1. Pretty interesting. I'll give it a shot. And then you get the catalog book. Ooh, sweet. James Bond. And Austin Powers, which is pretty sweet. And last but not least is a comic book from the show Orphan Black. I don't think I've ever seen it. But yeah, this is all that I got for the Loot Crate for the month of March. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to get your own Loot Crate, I will put a link in the description so you all can sign up. Well, yeah. Otherwise, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and thank you. This has been a pretty sweet box. Later.